Guys, itong si Honor Win. Sobrang okay ito. I mean, for me, this is a Poco killer. Poco F8 Ultra. Kaya na i-go toe-to-toe. No? Sobrang okay in terms of design. Kasi halos kinopia si Poco except may kunting tabas siya dito and meron siyang word na win. Pero yung kanyang camera is really performer. Was able to take really good photos sa kanya, outdoor, low light, and night photography. Pati ka ng selfie camera is definitely good, shooting at 4K and 60. And one good thing this kanya is that it has a 185 Hz na screen refresh rate na wala ni Poco. Which normally makita mo sa mga Red Magic phone. Pero I think si Red Magic pinakasagad is 165 pa lang. At if correct me if I'm wrong, pero sobra ako natuwa dito sa kanya. Meron pa siyang fan dito sa likod, no? I was able to play mga AAA games, Genshin Impact and si Wuthering Waves. Si Wuthering Waves, pinakamin 42. Genshin Impact nasa 38 to 39 degrees Celsius na. Just imagine that, guys. Sobrang paldo itong Honor Win. And of course, if you want to watch the full review natin, don't forget to follow me sa aking YouTube channel. And kung gusto nyo bumili, I'll just drop the link in the description. Click na lang sa link. So, I'll see you sa full review.